Is Samsung LE32D400E1W a smart TV? The Samsung LE32D400E1W is not a smart TV. It is a 32-inch HD-ready LCD television designed for basic viewing without internet-based features. This model does not support Wi-Fi built-in apps or streaming services. Below is a detailed breakdown of its specifications and limitations. 1. No internet connectivity. The Samsung LE32D400E1W does not have Wi-Fi or Ethernet connectivity, meaning it cannot access online content, streaming services, or web browsing. It is designed for traditional TV viewing through cable, satellite, or external media sources. 2. No built-in apps or smart features. Unlike modern smart TVs, this model does not include built-in applications like Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video. It also lacks an operating system that would allow users to download or install apps. 3. Connectivity options. The Samsung LE32D400E1W offers basic connectivity ports including HDMI, USB, and component inputs. These allow users to connect DVD players, gaming consoles, or external streaming devices such as Amazon Fire Stick, Chromecast, or set-top boxes for smart functionalities. 4th, display and performance. This TV features a 32-inch HD-ready LCD screen with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it provides decent picture quality for standard viewing, it does not support Full HD, 1080p, 4K resolution, or HDR enhancements. 5th, alternative smart TV options. For those who need a smart TV with Wi-Fi and built-in apps, upgrading to a newer Samsung Smart TV with Tizen OS would be a better choice. These models offer internet connectivity, app support, and advanced features for a more versatile viewing experience. The Samsung LE32D400E1W is not a smart TV and does not support online services. It is a basic HD-ready LCD television with essential connectivity ports for external devices. If smart features are required, users can connect an external streaming device or choose a Samsung Smart TV with built-in Wi-Fi and app support.